Hello, today we will guide you through how to clear your filing in H&R Block. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to return to a clean slate by removing your current entries in the online H&R Block experience. Follow along on your screen, and remember that deleting information is permanent, so proceed only if you're sure you want to start over. Begin by going to the H&R Block Online Do-It-Yourself main menu. This is the home base for your return and the place where you can move between the major sections. From here, open the overview. The overview gives you a high-level look at your return, so you can quickly get to the area you need to manage. Next, select Federal. This takes you into your Federal Return workspace. If you've been in the middle of the interview and want to ensure everything is aligned at the start, choose Go to the beginning of my return. This puts you at the front of the guided flow, so you can navigate consistently from the first screen forward. When that first screen appears, click Next. Think of this as moving past the introduction and into the core sections of your return. You'll now land on the main categories that organize your information. Choose Income. This is where most of the entries you may want to clear, like wages, interest, or other income forms, are listed. Locate the item or section you want to remove and click Remove. The platform will prompt you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental deletions. When the confirmation appears, click Yes, Delete. This confirms that you want the selected information permanently removed. If you have multiple entries or sections, repeat this action as needed until everything you intend to clear is gone. To fully clear your filing, complete the deletion prompts so that all relevant entries have been removed. When finished, your return will be reset in practice, allowing you to start fresh as if you were beginning a new interview. This is helpful if something went off track or you simply want to rebuild your return more cleanly. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Consider saving a copy or screenshots of your numbers before deleting, just in case you need to reference them later. Be aware that changes to your federal return can affect related state sections, and once data is deleted, it cannot be automatically restored, so confirm you're comfortable proceeding. That's it. You've now cleared your filing in H&R Block and are ready to begin anew with a clean return.